Okay, students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about tense. Do you know about tense? Have you heard about tense? Have you learned about tense in your previous class? First, we are going to know what is the definition of tense. Let's see here. Introduction of tense. You can see here tense in traditional sense talks about the time, age, present tense about present time, and past tense about past time, etc. But in modern sense, tense is a grammatical category. It is not about time, is the sentence. We can see here sentence, it is in another color. John always goes to school represents present, past, and future time. Let's see for the same sentence. John always goes to school means John went to school yesterday or maybe the day before yesterday. He has probably gone to school today and perhaps he will go school tomorrow. So it talks about present time, past time, and also the future time. So tense is not time, it is a grammatical category. Now we are going to learn about tense type. So what are the types of the tense? What are the names of the tense? We are going to know that. Let me show you. Can you see displaying there in green color? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, so now we are going to know about the branches of each tense. As we just learned, there are three tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Again, this tense has different branches. Present tense has different four branches for each tense. Past tense also has four branches, and future tense also has four branches. So what are the branches for each tense? We have to remember it. See, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So we find simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous for each tense. So if we have present tense, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In the same way, if we have past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. If you have future tense, the case is same: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now we are going to learn about present tense at first. Can you see here a green box, present tense, and some of their five question marks are there. What type of tense it is? Let me show you. Can you see a picture of a lady? What is she doing? Can you guess? Hmm. She is sleeping. So this is a present tense. Similarly, you can see fingers there in the picture, and one of the finger has two cords. So what has happened to her? She has caught her finger. It is bleeding now. So this is also present tense. And you can see a picture there. Do you know what is the picture? I think this is the picture of panda. What does panda eat? Panda eats fruits. So panda is fruits, right? This is also present tense. Hmm. Now we are going to learn about the different branches of present tense. As I already told you, each tense has four branches, right? Can you say what are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So the same is the case for present tense. So what are they? Let me present you. Can you say they are being displayed? Are you seeing the display? They are being displayed. Okay, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So present simple, or we say simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Do you remember what are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So you have to remember present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, students. Now we are going to learn some key verbs they are used in present tense. How do we know that the particular sentence is present tense? So we have to note, right? What are they? So for being simple present tense, what keywords or sorry key verbs are used, and for being continuous tense, what sort of verbs are used? For being perfect tense, what sort of verbs are used? And for being perfect continuous, what sort of verbs are used? We are going to learn about simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous of present tense. Can you see? See, verb 1, verb 5. Or do or does any one of them, and verb 1. Or is, am, or are one of them. If you find in sentence, then this is a simple present tense, but you should not get confusion here. Is, am, are means, for example, he is a teacher, they are students, I am a boy. Such case, not after is eating, is going, are playing, am writing, not that is another case. Okay, that is the case of the continuous tense. So they will be the single words in the sentence, and they will be representing the verbs. So in continuous, among these three, is, am, are, one will be there, either is or am or are. And bafo means that will be ending in ing, like eating, sleeping, jumping, reading, playing, watching TV, like that. So they are the bafo. We also say progressive verb or ing verb. And for perfect tense, present perfect tense, we have either has or have, and we have verb 3. So verb 3 are the verbs, they are generally ending in ed, right? like played, jumped, and some of the verbs do not end in ed, they are irregular verbs. Perhaps you have studied in your earlier class, and we have to remember the list. And perfect continuous tense, for perfect continuous tense, either has or have. And what is more added here? Been is added, and buffo, you know buffo, as I already told you in continuous, that is ing form. So these are the keywords, are the key verbs we have to note and we have to keep in our mind while we are learning about the tense. As we find these particular verb in particular sentence, then that sentence denotes. For example, if is plus buffo is there in any sentence, this is present continuous tense. If are plus buffo in particular sentence, this is present continuous tense. If you find has plus verb 3 in particular sentence, that is certainly a present perfect tense. If you find has plus been plus verb in a sentence, for example, I have been reading for 2 hours, this is certainly a present perfect continuous tense. Okay, students, only this much for today. Thank you for watching the class. I will come with other useful class tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.